Hello, good morning, and welcome to my channel for today. Now, I want to introduce you to the use of Excel. Not just Excel, but the use of spreadsheet in managing a business. If you want to go and apply for a job or you have a business, then it will be easy for you to manage your business data with a spreadsheet. You can create computations, chart analysis, dashboards, you know, budget systems, and others. All right. Now we have to start by downloading Google Sheets online. Remember, we are using phone. Not everybody could afford PCs. Some people just have phones. So with your phone, you can learn Excel, Google Sheet. You can learn computers wide with your phone. Now, I'm done downloading the Google Sheet. Let me open it. All right, this is a fresh download. Okay, let me off my network. All right. Okay, skip. Now, this is the Google Sheet, the blank Google Sheet. Right away, you cannot use it without a network, so you need to on back the network. See now that this Google Sheet works with network, but if you want to use Excel, you can download Microsoft Excel with your Play Store and work with it without a network. Alright, the reason why I chose Google Sheets is because with Google Sheets you can work on cloud, meaning that when you are working with this device, you can use another device to access your work. You can send the work out simultaneously for people to access it. So that's one of the reasons why we use Google Sheets instead of Excel. But all the same, you can download Excel for your work. Okay, let me unback the data and start what we are here for. Okay, this is the blank Google Sheet. Right now, we don't have any document here. It works with your email address. So right away, we have an email address active. So you can choose another. Okay, let's take this. Or you can log in a new email address. Okay. The network is still off. Alright, it's on. Okay, let's add or let's refresh and see. I'm so sorry that the network is slow, but let's just see. Uh, Now look at this button here, this plot on the right arm. So you click on it and create a new sheet. So you can see now that it is creating a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet that is created, you can send it to others as well as you are using it now. Anybody that you sent it to will be viewing your work. In a way, you can sort tasks anytime day without actually doing it yourself. Just be working and it's being submitted already. This is the blank spreadsheet. This is the blank spreadsheet. If you are conversant to the computer, then you will see that this sheet we have here and Microsoft Excel looks very, very alike. Now, this is called the cell, okay? They are labeled under rows and columns, all right? Sorry, rows and columns, okay. Now, the columns are labeled with alphabet A, B, C, D, just like that, while the rows are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, just like that, okay. Now the cells comprises of the rows and the column. Right here we are under A, which is the first row, sorry, the first column, and the sixth row. So it is labeled A6. If you place it here, it is labeled, okay, sorry, here is labeled a B21, okay, under the second, under the B column and the 21st row. Here is C9, okay, here is C1, or you can move it this way, G14, all right. Now let's go to A1. Under here you see enter text or formula. If you want to type anything under any row, after clicking on it, you go there, you come here, enter text or formula and type what you want to display. I want A1 to display THE. Then I will tap enter. Alright, A1 is THE. B1 CAT. Tap enter. Okay, that is it. If you want to edit it, just go back to the cell and come to the formula, start editing. NAME, enter. Okay. ITEM, enter. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's edit first. ITEM, enter. All right. Now that is how you type into your cell. That's how you type into your cell. Now let's type other things. Name, yam. Okay, let's say name of customer, Andrew, Andrew, James. Okay. All right. Let's pause the video for you. Let's end the video here. So watch the next video so that we see more on how to use Excel or Google Sheets in carrying out basic mathematical expression. Thank you very much for watching.